In front of me is LENOVO Tab M8 4th Gen, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. You need to begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in Magic Fluids and download this free app called Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist Developer. When your app is ready, open it, and to mute the music right away, tap on the bottom left corner. Now select those three lines at the bottom right one. Click on Set as Live Wallpaper and click on Yes in Use App Settings pop-up. Then you can click on Set Wallpaper at the top right corner right away and go back. As you can see, after that my wallpaper was successfully applied. If you wish to manage some of its settings, go back to Magic Fluids app, but this time select this gear at the top left corner. Now tap on I accept in First Things First pop-up and manage all of those options however you want to. You can also click on presets, click on the best one for you, and select Yes in Load Preset pop-up. When you're ready, click on this X at the top right corner. Then select those three lines again, click on Set as Live Wallpaper, select Yes, and hit Set Wallpaper at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!